Hey guys, so I'm back in my Maverick today and I want to try out a new phone mount today. I've been using this phone mount for a while and it's been working great. I actually have very little complaints about it. The only thing is, it can be a little bulky here, but if you're looking for a more streamlined phone mount that's really clean, I think I have the solution right here. And it's not even a Maverick phone mount. It's for a Tesla. So let's give it a shot. Okay, so this is a vicseed magnetic car mount, and let's take a look at what's inside this box. So this phone mount was made specifically for the Tesla and the screen display. So it uses this magnetic thing, and even if your phone doesn't have a magnetic case, that's okay, because these things always come with one of these. So these rings you could tape to the back of your phone and it'll stick right onto there, okay? So that works nicely. Even if you don't have a MagSafe phone holder, you could just put on one of these two rings. I think one is thinner and one is thicker, so it depends on how much you want it to stick. I think that's how you decide between the two. It's got white pads. Here's a double-sided tape. What's this? Oh wow, this is kind of cool. Here's a little rag. I guess this is to wipe your screen, to wipe your Tesla screen or whatever screen that you have. Okay, so here's a little mounting template so you know how far to do it. And this is if you have a Tesla screen. Okay, so this is for if you want to line up one of these metal ring things. Okay, manual card. Alright, and here is the phone mount itself that you mount onto your car. So it looks like it already comes with some adhesive, so I guess if you want to move it or if you screwed up, there's a second set, so which is good. So this kind of goes to the back of the screen, and this will flip around like that. And this goes on top of that. Okay, so I'm not going to use this on my Tesla. I'm actually going to use it on my Ford Maverick today. And we'll show it on my Tesla too. But first, I want to do it on my Ford Maverick. So let's give it a shot. Okay, so again, I have this phone mount here, and I'm going to unplug it and remove it, or let me show you what my space looks like. Okay, so if you haven't seen my previous video, I have a USB plug that I installed here. You could click the link up there if you want to look at the USB plug, but on the side here there's a flat surface wall that's going to be perfect for this Tesla phone mount that's made for a Tesla screen. The Tesla screen goes up a little bit higher, and you would put it in the back, but we don't have that for the Maverick. The Maverick screen is very flat back here, so we would not be able to do it there, but that's not where I would want it anyway. I would actually want it right here to cover up this useless cubby hole that I actually made useful with that USB port. So let's give it a shot. Alright, so I lined that up right where I wanted it. I put that in. Really nice. Look at that. So I actually forgot to hit the record button when I put this thing on, but what you do is you just unscrew this, and that comes out. Click it in, and you tighten it up so then you could adjust it, and now you have this arm that swings out. So what I did was I put on that adhesive ring around my phone, and now I have a really nice phone holder that fits the Maverick great. Let's take a look. Alright, so that's my phone holder. Let's take a look at the other side. So there's a swing. You can see you could adjust it. And I could access my USB ports that I still have on the inside. So this is going to be great. It's very streamlined. Let's look at it without, oops. So look at that, that adhesive came off. I think this adhesive, actually I think this thinner one is designed to go underneath your phone case. So if you had a protective case, you would just put that protective case over this. So I think that's why this one's thinner and this one's a little bit thicker. So that's my guess. But anyways, let's take a look at this. I think that looks really great. It's adjustable. Do a little bit of the angle. All right, so that's my new Maverick phone holder. Not Tesla, but let's take a look at it on my Tesla too. Okay, one more thing is if you want to extend the arm out, there's a little button here that you can release, and that pulls out, and you could extend the arm out even further if that's what you like. See that? So the phone would sit even further out if that's what you want. But for me, I think I like it in like that. It's just a cleaner, more flush look. And of course, the mount works great on a Tesla, just like it's supposed to. This is the way it sits in the back of a Tesla.